For my experiment, I'm going to be creating a hovercraft and it's going to illustrate Newton's 3 laws of motion. Here's how to make it. For this experiment, you'll need a CD, a balloon, a sports bottle cap, and crazy glue. So our first step is we're going to take the CD and we're going to just place it on the ground. Then we're going to take our sports bottle cap and we are going to place crazy glue all on the outer rim as best as we can. And we want to get as much as possible so it'll stick. Okay, so once you got your crazy glue on, you just want to place the sports bottle cap as best as you can in the center of the CD. And we're just going to wait for it to dry. So it's been some time. The crazy glue should be dry by now, and it looks pretty good. So I'm just going to take my balloon and blow it up. Okay, once your balloon is all blown up, you're ready to attach it to the top of the sports valve. Just make sure your sports valve is all the way down, and I twisted the balloon a little bit so that way no air comes out while I attach it to the top. So you're just going to take this, attach it to the top, just make sure it's all the way on, otherwise the air will escape out of the sides rather than through the valve. So we're going to let go to make sure there's no air coming out of the sides. Okay, this looks good. The hovercraft works because air is escaping from the balloon at a steady pace, forming pressure and reducing friction between the hovercraft and the floor. The balloon has air pressure, but only a little bit of air can escape at a time because of the small opening in the sports cap. As the balloon deflates, it releases air downwards through the sports cap. This creates an opposite force upwards, which lifts the hovercraft off the ground, explained by Newton's third law of motion that every action has an equal and opposite reaction. Due to the shape, smoothness, and weight distribution of the CD, the releasing air from the balloon creates a cushion of air between the CD and the floor, illustrating Newton's second law. Friction is reduced between the two surfaces because there is no contact between the CD and the floor. The hovercraft can glide easily on the cushion of air. This is essentially what we see on an air hockey table. When the air hockey table is on, a cushion of air allows the puck to slightly hover and glide smoothly. When the air hockey table turns off, the puck won't move as fast and as effortlessly as seen here.